Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can comment a photo in TikTok, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do so, all you have to do is simply go ahead and simply open up your particular TikTok app right over here. Once you do that, you will find this kind of interface, right? So what you're going to do over here is simply going to go ahead, go to where you would like to simply add the photo as a comment. So let's say this is the particular page. We're going to go to this comment section. When you go to the comment section, we should be able to find icons. You can see we have mentioned the @ icon and the emoji icon, and we should find an external icon which will be the size of photo, which we will see in our Instagram. Let's say if you go to Instagram, here you can see this little photo icon, right? Exact same photo icon you should be able to find over here as well. Once you find the photo icon, tap on the photo icon and simply go ahead, choose a photo file, and then tap on the photo file, tap on the send option, and the comment will be sent. That's how the photo will be added. Now unfortunately that particular feature is not available yet in my region, so I cannot show it to you, but you will find that way, and that's basically how it works. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.